Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. Today we are going to discuss about the generic types versus union types. We have already discussed the generic and the union part. So what is the difference? Both generic types and the union types are powerful features that serve different purpose and they use in a different context. Generic types. Okay, purpose. The generic type allow you to create reusable, flexible components, functions, and the classes that can work with a variety of data types while maintaining the type safety. Okay, so syntax is generally generic types. What we have the syntax with the angle brackets. Okay, so this is basically the generic function, how we can declare of that one. Okay, use cases. Generics are often used when you want to write a function or a class that can work with the different data types. For example, the argumentee type in TypeScript is a generic array. Type can be hold elements of different types, so it can hold whether it's to be array, string, number, or anything, so you can define. They're commonly used for building the utility functions and data structures that need to work with a wide range of data types. Type safety. Generic provides a strong type safety because the type parameter specifies the expected type of the input and the output. So if you are defining this one, that this should be a string or a number, so it's the type parameter specifies the expected type of the input and the output, helping catch type related errors at the compile time. Union types, so it's very easy. Purpose. Union types allow you to express that the value can be one of the several possible types. It could be a string, number, boolean, or something. So here, whenever we define the union types, it should be a string, it should be a number. Syntax. Union types are defined using the OR operator to combine two or more types. Okay, so here we are defining first to be a string, valid, and the last one is boolean because it's not assignable to the type string or the number. Use case. Union types are often used when a variable, parameter, or return value can accept multiple types. So it will helpful where when we have a multiple types of values. For example, a function that accepts both the strings and numbers as the input, and they are useful for modeling scenarios where the data can be of the different types under different circumstances. Okay, type safety. Union types provide flexibility but can result in the less type safety compared to the generics. You need to ensure that you handle each potential type correctly within your code to avoid runtime errors. Use generics when you want to write reusable code that operates on different types while maintaining the strong type safety. Use union types when you want to represent the values that can have multiple potential types and you need to handle them differently based on their types. Union types are more flexible but may require additional type checks. Okay, so this is the main difference that we have the union types and the generic types. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.